Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a new member of the Ninja family. We're going to do an unboxing and we're going to do a test. We're going to cook some fried eggs on this. It's got a grill plate, it's got a griddle plate. Very simple to operate, just one temperature knob there, which turns on the machine as well. So let's get it unboxed. So before we get the unboxing, let's just have a look over the box. So we've got Sizzle grill, we've got Sizzle flat plate. So flat plate is great for breakfast. You can do pancakes, eggs, that sort of stuff, bacon, omelettes. And the Sizzle grill is for burgers, chicken breasts, your meats, that sort of stuff. And you get the authentic grill marks as well. So let's get it unboxed. I'm hoping there's going to be all recyclable materials. The last few products I've had from Ninja have all been really good, no plastics. So inside the box we've got a Ninja Sizzle sort of user manual and recipe guide. We'll go over that in a bit. We've got some important information, up to you whether you read that or not. And then let's have a look inside the box itself. We've got the flat plate, which is there. Put that to one side. We'll be using that in our test. We're going to cook some eggs, fried eggs. And then we've actually got the machine itself. So bear with me while I try and maneuver this out of the box. And so far so good. All recyclable materials, cardboards, paper, no plastic in sight. That's really good. This machine is going to be a great addition to all of the other Ninja products we've got, especially during the summer when we have barbecues, etc., because you can use this machine to cook your burgers or whatever you're cooking on a separate countertop. Like, let's just get rid of all the cardboards. So there we go, there's the machine itself. It's got a lid here. Lots of holes in the lid, they're actually perforated. So if you have the lid closed and you're cooking meats, some of the steam or smoke will come out of the top of the machine, but also it would help with splatters of oil, trying to keep them in the unit. So it's got the grill plate attached to it at the moment, and as you can see there's a big trough there to catch any fats and oils. It's really good, keeps it off your food. All non-stick coatings. Let's open up this other packet and get out the flat plate. So this is the griddle plate, and again we've got this big trough here to catch any oils and fats. All non-stick, as I said. So we're going to be using that flat plate today. So easy, just take one of the plates off that you don't require, and we'll put on the plate that we're going to be using. That just slots it easily into place. A lot of these sort of grills sometimes have got like a slant to them, so all of the oils and everything fall off, but then you run the risk of your food sort of sliding down. But these are quite flat, and there must be some sort of incline on it for the oil to go into the trough, but looks actually quite flat, which is good. This cover is actually removable. You just pull it out and that can go in the dishwasher as well. I'll put it back for now, and that just locks into place. So easy. Very small unit, won't take much space up on your counters, but the cooking area itself is actually quite generous. So there we are. As you saw in the box, there's probably enough room there to cook 6 very large burgers, and I think that is true. And we'll have a look around the machine. So apart from the lid, the plates, the only other thing to talk about is this dial here, and all it is you turn the dial to the required temperature. You have some guides here, whether you're using the grill or the flat plate or griddle plate, and a red light will appear here when it's on. It stays red the whole time, just to let you know that there's power. You do have to preheat for 7 minutes before you start cooking. so that you get a nice even surface for cooking on. So I think it's about time to actually get this thing in action, and let's cook my lunch. So before we get cooking, I'm just going to have a quick look at the quick start guide that came with it. Inside there are some recipes and some guides on cooking, things like your grilled Greek lamb burger, that sort of thing. But one of the most important things to note is what oils you can use. So if you can see that over here, it's got the recommended oils and the oils that are not recommended. And olive oil, surprisingly, is not recommended. So vegetable oils, sunflower oils, refined coconut, rapeseed and avocado oil, all recommended. Please make a note of that. Very important. And it's got some recipes, as I said, in there. But we're going to be cooking eggs on toast today. And it says there to have it on 200 degrees. So let's get this thing fired up to 200 degrees. There we go. As you can see, the red light has come on now. We're just going to wait for that to get up to temperature and we'll start cooking. Okay, so it's been 7 minutes. It's all heated up now. There's quite a lot of heat coming off of that. I can feel it. We've got some eggs here. I've got some bread here that I'm going to be using. So we're going to have sort of basically egg on toast. I've got some vegetable oil spray that I'll be using to cook the eggs with, and a spatula. So can't wait to get cooking. Now this is a great machine. It's almost like having a burger van. So you could have burgers here frying. You could have the onions, your melted cheese. You could even do some stir-fried rice, that sort of stuff. Lots and lots of ideas. But we're going to start by getting some of that oil onto this griddle plate. So I'm going to put the oil there, and we're going to crack 2 eggs. A little bit of smoke coming off of those. We're going to crack 2 eggs onto the griddle plate. 1. I'm going to get my 2 pieces of bread. One of them there, and the other one next to it. Plenty of room. Get rid of that for now. It's going to be great for things like pancakes. Really easy to cook pancakes. Pancake Day in the UK is coming up in the next week or so. So I'll be using this for that. I'm going to be turning the bread. You can see there. Browned off already. It's really, really good. Can't believe how easy this is going to be. You could actually have a whole fried breakfast, a full English breakfast with sausages, bacon, mushrooms, even some grilled tomatoes, eggs and toast, all on the one surface. I'm just going to turn these eggs over quickly. You can see on the back how well they've cooked. Brilliant. Look at that. The bread is almost toasted. Just turn that one over. And my lunch is nearly ready. So I think that's about ready. We'll put our toast onto my plate. Got 1 egg, 2 eggs. And look at that. Hardly any residue left on there at all. And that just will wipe off quite easily in some soapy water. But no, really, really impressed with that. I can't wait to use this more. If you'd like to see some videos in the future with different recipes, please leave any comments down below. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content, all that good stuff. And if you're feeling generous, maybe hit that super thanks button. Would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.